Okay, guys. It's not a vlog. It's just gonna be a sneaker unboxing. Wait, hold up. Cover it out. Sneaker unboxing. I got these shoes because I really like them, and my cousin hooked it up. These shoes were shipped from downtown Seattle, Northstorm, because he works there, and he hooked it up. Paid pretty good price for them. Not that bad. Okay, just gonna open it right now. You're gonna see some heat, and yeah, then I'm gonna do a review. You can tell, I already opened them. Got some NMDs. You already know. Boost Life. So, Adidas box, you know, and look at the Adidas logo. I like it. And this, I think it got messed up while it shipped here because it was only covered by one box, and it's this box. Well, it wasn't covered. It was only covered by one box. And look at the back of it. There's a logo up here. It has a saying in different languages. This is the brand with the 3 stripes. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the brand with the 3 stripes. You know, 3 stripes. 3 stripes on top. And of course, these are my size. Let me cover the picture. These are NMDs, and they are 8.5. I don't plan on wearing these until like the summertime, because like the weather right now is like crap. Like my Huaraches are so ruined. They're like all yellow on the netting part, and it's just crap. Okay, let's get back to these shoes. You already know. Okay. Ooh. Damn. Alright, before I show you guys shoes, I'm gonna show you the receipt. Like I said, it's from Northstorm, downtown Seattle. Cousin actually hooked it up from there. We talked to the phone, and we just did it there, and the price came out to I think you can read that. But this it came out to $141 and 26 cents. The new active NMD, Adidas NMD R1 sneaker. And yeah, he hooked it up. Shout out to my cousin. Thanks guys. He also gave me his card. No, I'm kidding. Just hook him up. Look him up. You already know. That's his name. Lee Pham. It says, "Love you guys, Lee." He's like, it's really cool. Can I ask for a better cousin? Okay. What you guys been waiting for? As you can tell, it comes with Adidas, regular Adidas paper. Okay, ready for the heat. NMD R1 with the gray colorway with a cocaine bottom and the cocaine side, and this is gray as also. I like how it feels. Like the material is great. It's just like my other ones, but my other ones are like a little beat. But yeah. This is my second pair of NMDs, and I only have one pair of Ultra Boost. I'm trying to get Yeezys, but the prices for Yeezys right now is crazy. Like I'm actually, the V2s, they're okay, but then I don't like them. But I like the regular 350s because they're better than the V2s. But if I had the chance to get a V2, I would get that too. Yeah, let's look at it. Back relays and everything. Smells good. Here's the other side. It's the same thing. The only problem I have with these is the bottoms. I'd rather have them like, I don't know, black or gum bottoms. I think gum would look good with this. That's fine. That's why I'm only gonna wear them in summer, because like, these bottoms, not good for this weather right now. Okay. Shout out to my cousin. Thanks for the hookup, man. Love you, and yeah, I'm out.